Hello everyone, it's a very funky morning, but take a look at this trade. It reached reversal zone. Anyone surprised? Ouch! Price comes to reversal zone. Price reminding you. Word reversal means expect reversal. This is exact same formula that applies to any instrument, any time frame. Remember what happened yesterday on the long? Bullish rally came to reversal zone. You exit your trade. You monitor for reversal. Rules are met. You take a short. This is once again institutional bullish rally. But bullish rally started at this reversal zone here on February 14th. Price comes to reversal zone. Monitor for rules to be met and take a trade. Rules are not met. Do not take a trade. That's what we accomplished in the trading room since that very beautiful Valentine's Day when reversal zone was reached. And here we are this morning. Very different dance. Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. Fibonacci will show you far in advance, as it did since the start of April, where Fibonacci reversal zone will be. Doesn't matter if you are day trader. Doesn't matter if you position trader. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. What you trade is your choice. This is the students that trade the market. This is what their exit positions are. Leave 5 contracts, close to 2. Same trading options, 3 1/4. William and Tashi out at different levels. Carol is out at 4. All of the students will be in boot camp. All of the students, my dearest friends for life. They know extremely well. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. It doesn't matter what you trade. You must respect reversal zone as your exit point, and you must play by the rules. Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. Doesn't matter if you trade S&P long term. If you do, just a reminder, this is a chart that's my favorite chart of all times. This is a chart we use when I work with institutions and hedge funds. Remember bullish rally from reversal zone? Remember the end of the minor trend, first target, second target? I continue reminding you, this is where price is heading to. And this is what price does every day. Doesn't matter if it's oil, where bullish rally came from. Oil is heading to here. Chart present in front of you for the last 6 years. Reminding you, knowing the rules, knowing the strategy, knowing what to do with your position is the key. Bullish from rally from oil on 30, next heading to 62. You will see a war zone once again at this level. Knowing what to do with your position is the key. Exact same reversal zone as on 5-minute chart. Doesn't matter what you trade. The only difference is risk, psychology, and size of your account. Do you hold your position for a couple of minutes, or do you hold your position for weeks and months to come? Choice is yours. This is where Apple is right now. Remember what Apple had done at reversal zone? Exact same level. Apple collapsed despite stunning earnings. Apple rallied from this Fibonacci support despite horrific earnings. And this is where S&P is. And once again, this is crucial support. 2360 on S&P. What you trade is your choice. Do you remember where Euro used to be at reversal zone? Exact same place. Where 5-minute chart is right now. Let's walk down memory lane. Remember Euro at 3800? Were you buying euro at that level? Or were you shorting euro at that level? What you trade is your choice. Price comes to reversal zone. Price reminds you, exit the position. Do not acquire trend position into this level. But first, you must know the rules. Without rules, trading is not possible. This was expected, and this is what price does every time. Doesn't matter if you day trade S&P, doesn't matter if you trade euro, Apple, or gold. As this is where gold collapsed from, after staging bullish rally from this reversal zone to here. Last time gold staged bullish rally from this level. And this is what market reminding you each and every time. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. What you trade is your choice. Price remains the same. Risk management, trader psychology, and account size, hold time makes a world of difference. But once you master price action and Fibonacci, you can trade anything on any instrument in any time frame. You know the rules. You don't need hand holding. You don't need to miss me when I'm on vacation. When I'm taking a sabbatical, you know what to do. Selling pressure is expected. This is what happened yesterday. Levels preset by the price since weeks ago. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you and your account size. Students trade ETFs, stocks, options, Forex. Reversal zone in front of you. Exit your trade. Give yourself that favor. How many points will depend on your points of entry. Will depend on what you trade. Knowing the rules will forever remain the key. Without rules, nothing is possible. Speculative stops, speculative targets will not work. Rule-based method that you backtest, that you demo trade before you ever go live. You love trading ETFs weekly, why not? You prefer to trade stocks daily, it's your choice. You are a Forex trader, you love 4-hour chart. The only difference is risk management and trader psychology. That's what it comes down to. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Everything else is delayed. And this is what I show you in day trading room every day. How many points are you up? Will depend on what trade you took. Is it 3 1/4? Is it 175? Is it 1 1/4? Or is it 4? Choice is yours. My students become my friends for life. And that's what matters. And that's the key of the course. So once again, picture perfect reminders. We've taken a well-deserved break where the price collapsed from anyone's surprise. Should not be. Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. You play by the rules, you know where to exit. Doesn't matter what chart to trade. Doesn't matter if it's monthly, if it's yearly, if it's 1-minute chart. Doesn't matter if it's Forex, if it's ETFs, if it's stocks, if it's options. The only predictive tool in the market will always keep you out of trouble. The only natural tool in the market. And that's the key of Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. And that's the key of education course. So, just a picture perfect reminder to close out for today. This is a chart when S&P was at 2130. As we know extremely well, S&P well outside of 2304. As we know extremely well, S&P is heading drastically higher to 2500 level. Remember that? S&P at 2130. Remember that? S&P at this crucial support. that was respected as expected. No surprise whatsoever. As I said at the start of 2016. Remember S&P at 1914? Did you understand that this support was expected as an investor? Did you respect this level? Did you exhale? And that's where bullish rally heading to next. Drastically higher levels. Well outside of 2130, well outside of 2304. As said to you many months ago, Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. Now S&P well outside of 2304. It is right now at 2359. What you trade is your choice. The only predictive tool in the market. All you have to do, play by the rules. And that's the core of the bootcamp. That pure and that simple. Adios, everybody. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So if you like what you see in this video, if you're witnessing accuracy of Fibonacci method, I look forward to seeing you in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, the event that occurs only once or twice per year, where I work with graduates and new students on various instruments and various time frames. Focus in day trading group will be on S&P. However, we'll have students and graduates of the course who are Forex trader, option trader, stock traders present in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp is part of education course. Please review the information on the website. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.